Well, without even getting into sort of Blade Runner, what is a human questions, we can get into the question of like, do people like talking to robots? I might be an exception here, but I feel like I can identify something that's been generated by ChatGPT just by reading it or looking at it. That colors my perception of the business because I know how inexpensive that was. And if I'm interacting with a business that doesn't even want to pay a call it freelancer to design their logo, like how much do you care about the business? And therefore, how much are you going to care about me? But even beyond that, we could talk specifically about AI voice and phone solutions. I think right now people don't mind talking to AI because it's not that different from an IVR. It's not very different from a voicemail. Now, of course, we've banged the drum over and over again that IVR and voicemail don't work, but the AI receptionist might work better than that. But the question is, how long are they going to be okay with that before they get annoyed with it or tired of it? How much better will those voice programs have to get in order to stay ahead of that curve?
Some of them are surprisingly really conversational. I think this is the problem that I have with people whose current platform they use to further this, I don't know, technology, if it's what you want to call it, because there's clearly people who are in bed with this technology or getting like an affiliate fee for referring it, and I see these public facing personalities say some things like, "Hey, lawyers, AI voice is here right now. It's so good, and it's $20 a month. And if you're not using this, you're going to get left behind. And your competitors are using this, and they're capturing more, blah, 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 blah." But I don't know how long that will remain acceptable for. I don't know how long it will remain legal. I've interacted, obviously, I'm in this sort of industry. I've interacted with enough of them to know they're not responsible for anything. And so the upkeep of them, this is a really great example. Is Robert Williams shared something like this the other day where the person was like, I got rid of my CRM and I coded my own CRM and I made it. And I got rid of my receptionist because I have an AI receptionist and I coded that receptionist, and now that's $0. But when it breaks, it costs me $12,000 a month in API calls to use it, as opposed to the, I don't know, same salary that I was paying the other person. Hopefully you're,
Yeah.
I don't know, that would be nice. And like the board is really upset with me, but like I told them this is all just futuristic and it's broken, but I'm the only person who can fix it. Blah 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 blah. How do you hold this technology accountable? How are you using it? How are you maintaining it? Whose job is it to maintain it?